Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. I am Sweetie Pinjani. We are in UVM basic series. Today we are going to learn and understand how we can generate stimulus in UVM. I am going to explain it to you with the help of diagram so that you can remember it easily. This will give you a clear idea on how we generate a stimulus for UVM test bench. We had seen UVM test bench architecture. In case you have not gone through, please go through. There is a lecture on test bench architecture. Here I am going to take a part of that test bench architecture, which will help you understand how this stimulus generation happens. Let me show you. We have a DUT. DUT stands for design under test. This is your actual design. How is this design connected to our test bench? With the help of interface. This is the interface which will connect your design with the test bench. Then, to drive the design, you have a driver. Driver is going to drive the signals inside your design. This driver is connected to your sequencer. Driver gets the transactions which need to be driven to the DUT from the sequencer. And from where sequencer gets these details? It gets these details from the sequences. There can be multiple sequences. I'll give you some examples. Say first I will do reset of the design. There will be a reset sequence. Then say I will write to a particular memory location. That will be the write sequence. Then say I'll read from the same memory location. That will be read sequence. Reset, write, read. Same as sequencer has these three sequences. This sequences go to the sequencer. From sequencer they go to the driver. Driver will convert it into the pin wiggles, or we call it as the signal level activity, because you need to give the input to the DUT in the form of signals, and that we will give with the help of interface. This is how the flow happens. Now, how do sequences communicate to the sequencer? With the help of sequence item. This is the complete diagram which represents the stimulus generation in UVM. Let me explain you from the starting with sequence now. Sequence can be of various types. For example, to do reset, we'll have reset sequence. To do write, we'll have write sequence. To do read, we'll have read sequence. And this sequence communicates to your sequencer with the help of sequence item. Then your sequencer will give those details to your driver. We had seen how sequencer and driver are connected. We had seen sequencer driver connection. There is a tutorial on UVM driver. If you want, you can go through that. There I had shown you how sequencer and driver are connected in with the help of connect. We use connect phase to connect this sequencer and driver. And then this driver is connected to your DUT with the help of interface, and from interface we give those inputs to the DUT. This is the diagram representing stimulus generation in UVM. If anyone asks you, you can draw this diagram and explain them. I hope with the help of diagrams you are now easily able to understand UVM. To stay tuned to such content in VLSI and a lot of other subjects, please subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. I, Sweetie Pinjani, will see you in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.